a brighter future, harnessing the power of the sun. In every corner of the world, from the biggest cities to the smallest towns, solar energy is making a significant difference. The 21st century is witnessing an extraordinary revolution. A revolution that is not only changing how we generate energy, but also how we live and work. We are shifting from fossil fuels to clean energy sources. This change is not only necessary, but inevitable to ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. At the forefront of this change are solar panels. These panels, with their ability to convert sunlight into electricity, are leading the transition to a greener world. These devices have the potential to transform our world. They not only provide clean energy, but also reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and decrease carbon emissions. Imagine a world powered by the sun, a world with cleaner air and a healthier planet. A world where energy is abundant and accessible to everyone. This future is within our reach. With every solar panel installed, we move closer to this dream. Solar panels are making it possible. They are being adopted in homes, factories, and offices worldwide. Solar panels are more than just technology. They represent a new era of innovation and sustainability. They are a symbol of progress, innovation, and our commitment to a sustainable future. Every advance in solar technology brings us closer to a better world. The sun, a star that has fueled life on Earth for billions of years, now offers us a path to a brighter future. Let's seize this opportunity to create a cleaner and more sustainable world for everyone. The dawn of solar energy, from discovery to innovation. The journey of solar energy began in 1839, a year that marked the beginning of an energy revolution. A young French physicist, Edmond Becquerel, made a revolutionary discovery. At the age of 19, he observed a phenomenon that would change the world. He observed that certain materials produced a small electric current when exposed to sunlight. This discovery was the first step towards the creation of modern solar energy. This phenomenon, later known as the photovoltaic effect, laid the foundation for solar energy. Understanding this effect was crucial for the development of technologies that today power our homes and cities. Decades later, Albert Einstein's groundbreaking work on the photoelectric effect further illuminated the behavior of light and its interaction with matter. His theory not only won a Nobel Prize, but also provided a solid theoretical basis for future research. His ideas paved the way for a deeper understanding of solar energy conversion. Einstein's research allowed scientists to develop more efficient and effective solar cells. In 1941, Russell All patented the modern solar cell, marking a pivotal moment in the history of solar technology. His invention was a milestone that enabled the creation of the first practical applications of solar energy, from calculators to space satellites. Creating clean energy, the making of a solar panel. Solar panels are sophisticated devices. They are designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. The process begins with silicon, a very abundant element found in sand. The silicon is purified and then cut into thin wafers. These wafers are treated to improve their electrical properties. Then these silicon wafers are transformed into solar cells. They are carefully layered with other materials. These layers create an electric field. When sunlight hits the cell, it releases electrons, generating an electric current. A panel for every purpose. Exploring different types. Solar panels come in various forms, each designed for specific applications. Crystalline silicon solar panels, the most common type, are known for their efficiency and durability. Thin film solar panels, made of layers of photovoltaic material on a substrate, offer flexibility and versatility in design. Concentrated solar power systems use mirrors to focus sunlight onto a receiver, generating heat that drives a turbine to produce electricity. This technology is particularly suitable for large-scale solar power plants. The magic of photovoltaics, turning sunlight into electricity. The heart of a solar panel is the photovoltaic cell. This remarkable device performs a seemingly magical feat. It transforms light directly into electricity. When photons from sunlight strike the solar cell, they transfer their energy to the electrons in the silicon atoms. This energized electron is now free to move. It creates an electric current. This direct current, or DC, is then converted into alternating current, or AC. AC electricity is what powers our homes and businesses. Solar management, ensuring longevity and performance. Solar panels require very little maintenance. Once installed, they require minimal upkeep. Regular cleaning, usually with water, ensures optimal absorption of sunlight. It's also essential to inspect the panels for signs of damage or wear. With proper care, solar panels can last for decades. Most manufacturers offer warranties of 25 years or more. This longevity makes solar energy a reliable and sustainable investment. A global shift. The rise of solar power worldwide. Solar energy is experiencing unprecedented growth worldwide. From rooftops to utility-scale installations, solar panels are becoming an increasingly common sight. China leads the world in solar energy capacity, followed by the United States and Japan. This increase in solar energy adoption is driven by several factors. These include the falling costs of solar technology, government incentives, and the growing awareness of the environmental benefits of renewable energy. A sustainable solution. Benefits beyond electricity. The benefits of solar energy extend far beyond generating clean electricity. Solar energy reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, mitigating the harmful effects of climate change. It improves air quality, reduces water consumption, and minimizes land degradation. In addition, solar energy creates jobs, boosts local economies, and enhances energy independence. As the world transitions to a more sustainable future, solar energy emerges as a beacon of hope and a testament to human ingenuity. The future is bright. Solar energy's promise for generations to come. The future of solar energy is incredibly promising. With each passing year, we see significant advancements in solar technology that bring us closer to a sustainable world. As technology continues to advance, solar panels are becoming more efficient, affordable, and accessible. New materials and manufacturing techniques are revolutionizing the industry, allowing more people and communities to embrace this clean energy source. Innovations in energy storage are addressing the intermittency of solar power, ensuring a reliable supply of clean electricity. Advanced batteries and other storage solutions are making solar energy a viable option even when the sun isn't shining. The transition to a solar-powered world requires collective action. From large cities to small rural communities, everyone has a role to play in this transformation. Governments, businesses, and individuals must embrace this transformative technology and invest in its development and implementation. Supportive policies and strategic investments are crucial for accelerating the adoption of solar energy. The sun's energy is a gift. It's an inexhaustible and clean energy source that can transform our world. It's up to us to harness it wisely. Education and awareness are essential for more people to understand the benefits of solar energy and how they can contribute to a sustainable future. Let's work together to create a brighter future powered by the sun. A future where clean, renewable energy is the norm, and where future generations can enjoy a healthy and vibrant planet.